Talofa family. So today I'm going to show you how to make a nice ula and kauwai using the banana leaves. All right, let's go. So first thing you need to do is cut a banana leaf. So as you can see, I'm cutting it closer towards the body as opposed to the actual leaf, because that stem is going to be used as a string. All right, so this is the bottom side and this is the top side of the leaf. All right, the reason why I'm telling you that is because this is the most important ingredient. You gotta start from the top of the leaf. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm gonna take off some of that leaves at the end, and the reason why is so that this side can also be used as the string to tie. Okay, so as you can see, there's little small lines. You see those little lines right there? So those are kind of, you can kind of use those as guidelines. All right, all you want to do is start from the base and start stripping out just like that. So I put this in fast forward, but you guys get the gist. All right, as you can see, I'm doing both sides at one time. Sometimes people like to do one side at a time. Me, I usually do it like this just because it's a little bit faster. Yeah, so as you can see, what I like to do as well is take the ends over here because it's too short. So I rip it off just like that, just so to make all the leaves look kind of unison, you know, the same length, just like that. And there you go. Now again, this is the bottom side and this is the top side. Remember, always start from the top. Yeah, always start from the top. So what I'm going to show you here, all you got to do is very simple. Just rip off just a small little piece. Okay, so you want to look at the side of it. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so you see that little bit on the side of the center of the leaf. All right, and I'm using my thumb as a guide, kind of pressing it. You see that? So the goal here is to take off as much of the bone as you can. All right, so your thumb is as a guide, the other hand is pulling, and you want to just use it kind of like a guide. All right, the goal again, take off most of the stem of the leaf, just like that. So you see, it's still a little bit kind of thick. So I'm going to show you guys in a bit how to make it a little bit thinner. All right. Then go to the other side, nice and easy. Same thing. Pull off a little piece and try to take off as much of the center as you can. Yeah, just like that. See, nice and easy. All right, now that it's finished, again, you want to know the difference between the top and the bottom. All right. So you start from the higher side, the top side, and that's it. You just work your way down, all right? Now this is just to make the string part a little bit thinner, just so it doesn't, you know, sometimes when it's too thick, it's hard to tie, and it kind of gets in the way. So this is a good way to make the string part a little bit thinner, see? See, you just work a little bit at a time. You don't got to do a big piece at a time, just a little bit, but look how nice and soft it is now. Easy to tie. Yeah, so that's one side. Then again, go to the other side. Same thing. Now the top is on the other side. Don't forget, start from the middle. Wherever it's thick, that's where you want to start from, all right? It's all preference as well, however you like it. But see, now this side is nice and thin. It's nice and soft. See that? Easy to tie, all right? It's good because it won't break as well. Sometimes if it's too thick, and once you pull it to tie it nice and tight, it breaks. So when you make it nice and soft like that, it's nice. And there you go. Now you have the two sides ready to make a nice ula. Now you see how I put the inside of the leaf. See the lighter color? Put it on the outside because that's what makes it pop out more. Yeah. If you face it the other way, it'll kind of just go flat. But you want it nice and wild looking like that. Then, this is how you put it on your legs. Yeah. Just tie it around. Just like that. Make sure the bottom string is still free to tie. See how it's nice and soft? Easy. Perfect. Then do the other leg. There we go. Again, you see how the lighter side is on the outside? And see how it pops up nice and big like that? So that's the reason why. If you put it the other way, it'll just go flat to the leg. And there you go. Choo-hoo! Yeah, let's go. Hey, if you want to learn how we do it with the tea leaves, I also posted that video, all right? It's right over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Choo!